Here we go again. Lots going on. What is going on Twitter? That's for another video. Probably not one that I'm going to do, so we'll just move straight ahead. In this video, I'm going to look at TrueNAS. Why? I haven't used TrueNAS for a long time, and since I last used it, it was based on FreeBSD, but now they've got two versions. They've got Scale and they've got Core. So I'm going to have a look at Scale because it's based on Linux, not FreeBSD. I know the FreeBSD one. It's all good. We'll have a look at the Scale one. So let's jump into it and have a look. So I'm going to run through everything from the installer all the way to getting into the web GUI and setting up a share, just to see what has changed, really. Probably nothing, but we'll take a look and have a look. So here we go. I'm at my bootloader. Let's launch from the disk. There we go. So we got three options. We got install, upgrade, shell, reboot system, and shutdown. So let's install. And we'll do that on our SanDisk because that's my SSD. Set a root password. Yeah, why not? 16 gig of swap, 16 gig of memory in the machine. Love how it says 0% extracting, and then all of a sudden it will just be done. There you go, 45, 90. Post-install tasks, almost done.
Many unbearable hours later,
he says. Done. So that's succeeded. Let's reboot now. Pull out the USB. You don't want it boot into that again because we might overwrite what we've got on there. There we go. Linux kernel version 5.10. And here we go. So it's brought everything up. I'm assuming that that'll all be DHCP, but it doesn't matter. We've got everything we need. So now we can jump over to our web browser. So there we are. Let's log in as root. We don't need this keyboard anymore. Let's get that out of the way before it drives me up the wall. So let's get logged in. Bish bash bosh. So there we go. So here is TrueNAS Scale. Lovely jubbly. So let's have a look at our storage. No pause. So let's create one. So we'll give it a name. Let's call it data. Yeah. Yep, mirror will do. Don't think there's anything on those disks anyway. If there is, doesn't matter. And there we go. So there's our file system. It's not read only and dedupe is off. Let's change that. Fine. That's all right by me. So there we go. Dedupe is on. File system. We had a couple of notifications. They've gone now. So that's fine. So let's have a look around. So we've got our users. That's fine. Comes with 2FA. That's good. Right. So let's add a user. We're just going to keep it simple. Yep, that'll do. Super duper. So what apps have we got? Hey, choose a pool for apps. Yeah, why not? Not that we want to. So, okay, right. So let's look at our storage. There's our data. Let's create a data set. Yep. That'll all do. Now let's have a quick look, because I said something there about, where was it? Doesn't matter. Right, so let's look at our Windows shares, shall we? Let's add one. Big data. That's what we want to call it. Description. You don't have to put a description in, but we will anyway. Let's have a look at the advanced. Allow guest access. No, we don't want to do that. Enable the service. Now, that should, he says, be all that we need to do for now. We've got our share. Let's see if we can get to it. So it is 10.148.86.88. Now, in all reality, I should probably change the IP address. Well, I'm not going to. Well, that's a good start. Let's see. Excellent. So there's our share straight away. But we don't have permission. So let's have a look. View permissions. That's what we want to do. So root other. And we want to edit the permissions. Let's change that to share. You'll be the owner. The group will be the owner. That's fine. Oh, what happened there? Yeah. So let's check the permissions of that now. Yep. Good stuff. So if I now go back to this, and there we go. That's quite simple, isn't it? So while we're here, let's have a look at the system settings. Advanced, got to be network in here somewhere. Guess it's not in advanced. General, GUI, localization, network. Oh, yeah, I'm looking in the wrong place. Right, so interface, yep. So what we can do is turn off DHCP. And then we could set it. I'm not going to do that for now. No point. But there we go. It's really that simple. Interesting that it got those. Oh, I know why, because it got it from my DNS server. And it's got virtualization, so you can have virtual machines. What kind of virtual machines? Guest operators. Oh, wow, full virtual machines. Kubernetes. Well, so there's a lot going on in TrueNAS Scale compared to last time I looked at it. So let's dump something in here. What can we put in here? Have I got anything in here? Probably not, actually. One of these will do. Let's copy that to it. There we go. Simple. Simples. Lovely. Oh, wow. Lots. Home Assistant. This would be really good because I was thinking about getting into Home Assistant. Plex. Pi-hole. Catalogs. Docker images. Core DNS. Well, there we go. And of course, we've got our reporting. We've used NAFL, really, let's be honest. Checking memory. Again, NAFL. Now, so we've got a graphics card in here, so we could quite easily set up a Plex server, get it to do decent encoding. This is good. Let's see how quick it does. Let's see how quick it installs. There we go. I've got a Pi-hole installed. Love it. So, yeah. So, as per always is the way with TrueNAS, very simple. Can't really go wrong with that. Let me know what you think, guys. Just drop a comment in the comments section of the video and let me know what you think of TrueNAS Scale, or would you still stay with Core? Be interesting to know. As always, give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe. Doesn't cost anything. And also check out the Discord server, link in the description. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.